Need help setting up your Epson printer on Windows 11? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to get your printer connected. First, power on your Epson printer. If you're using a USB connection, plug the cable into your computer. For wireless setup, make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This should be the same network as your Windows 11 PC.
Next, open Windows Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, then choose Printers and Scanners. Click Add Device, and Windows will begin searching for nearby printers.
If your Epson printer appears, click Add Device. If it doesn't, download the latest printer driver from Epson's official support website and install it before trying again. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the default settings, wait for the driver installation to finish, and restart your computer if prompted. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the default settings, wait for the driver installation to finish, and restart your computer if prompted. Return to Printers and Scanners, select your Epson printer, open Printer Properties, and print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If Windows still can't detect your printer, restart both devices, verify your Wi-Fi connection, and install the latest Epson driver before trying again. That's it! Your Epson printer should now be set up on Windows 11.
If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more printer tutorials, and thanks for watching.